Welcome you to our YouTube channel PNJ Legal. We are 12-year-old law firm. On this YouTube channel, we are bringing lot of the complex legal topics to you. We are also presenting lot of business opportunities for the entrepreneurs to get ventured into.
Company registration in Netherlands. What is company registration in Netherlands? The Netherlands has a stable industry and economy. It has favorable relations with countries all over the world, especially Germany, Belgium, France, and UK, which attracts foreign investors to register a company in Netherlands. The main industrial activity in the Netherlands is the food industry. A number of foreign traders came to the Netherlands to open a company every year, contributing the economic growth of the country. Why choose Netherlands? Holland has one of the lowest tax rates in Europe. There is also no value added tax. The Dutch offer the largest number of treaties. Dutch companies have an amazing and well known reputation in global e commerce. More than 90% of the Dutch speak English. The Netherlands have a highly educated labor force. Holland offers an outstanding and innovative international business atmosphere. The country welcomes foreign entrepreneurs and investors by offering a very stable legal and political climate as well as superb international relations. Dutch, strongest in many sectors of business. One of the main benefits of becoming a company owner in the Netherlands is the multitude of sectors the Dutch are really successful in. The Netherlands offers very favorable prospectus to either start a business or invest in an already existing company. Certain industries stand out in this regard from others like information and technology, logistics, the health sector, and many more. Legal business form in the Netherlands, unincorporated business structures and incorporated business structures. Required documents to register a company in Netherlands: a valid form of identification of shareholders and directors. 2. A copy of the latest bank statement. 3. Proof of existence of the incorporation. 4. A rental contract. After process, once the company is registered in Netherlands, you will be given a proof of registration and a unique company registration number, which will be used for your outgoing post and invoices. If there is any change in the details of the company or its shareholders or directors, it shall be informed to the Chamber of Commerce immediately using the online form. The Chamber of Commerce also offers advice and information to the entrepreneurs about being self-employed or running a business. Process of registration of company in Netherlands: name check process, drafting and signing of company's deed of incorporation, registering company with local chamber of commerce, registering with local tax and social security authorities. Let's discuss these steps. Name check process. First step to incorporate a company is to check the appropriateness and availability of the name. The name can be checked on the Chamber of Commerce. The same can be reached at the following link, as you can see on your screen. Drafting and signing of the company's deed of incorporation. According to Dutch company law, bodies for Dutch company involves management board, general meeting of shareholders, and supervisory board. Registration of the company at the local chamber of commerce. The registration of the company can be done online or physically at the chamber of commerce. And if the registration process is done physically, it takes 1 to 5 working days to get the registration number. To register a company, registration at the local chamber of commerce is mandatory. Initial and annual fees to be paid to the chamber of commerce depends on the number of employees and the authorized share capital of the company. Registration with the local tax authorities and social security authorities. Once the company gets the registration form, the Chamber of Commerce, it is required to register itself with various tax and social security authorities. You can file an application with the local authority and it will take 4 to 6 weeks for the tax office to provide the required tax numbers. How much will it cost me to start a business in the Netherlands? Well, it depends on the following points: the preparation of all your legal documents and identification papers, the standard fee at the Chamber of Commerce for registration, the standard fee for registration at the tax authorities, the fee for the actual formation of the company by a notary, the fee for assistance with your VAT number and possible EORI number, the fee for extra services like opening a bank account, the fee for assistance with translation services.